Let's try this out. So we'll start here. Calculate the area of the figures below. This is a triangle, so it's a equals 1/2 base times height. So it's area equals 1/2 5 times 7. So 5 times 7 times half is 17.5. What's this one? Circumference of a circle is diameter is 22 feet. So circumference equals pi times d. That means circumference equals pi times 22. So the answer here is 22 pi. That's the lazy answer. You could also say 69.1 if you want the calculator answer. What's the area of the circular garden? So A equals pi r squared. So A equals pi times 7 squared. So the answer is 49 pi. Or 49 pi, 153.9. Area of the trapezoid. Okay, this is that longer formula. D equals 0.5. B1 plus B2 times H. So 0.5 is the same thing as half. 8 plus 15 times 10. So 0.5 times 8 plus 15 times 10. That is 115. Perimeter of a square's area is 121 yards. So a square is perimeter equals 121. So if I'm going to change colors here. This square, all the sides are the same length. So 121 divided by 4. Wait, that's not how you do this one. So area is 121, which means take the square root of that. The side length equals 11. So each of these sides is 11. So then it's 11 times 4 is 44. That's the perimeter. So area of a rhombus whose shorter diagonal is 33. So this is 33. And then this one is 60. Oh man, I think it's A equals 1/2 D1 times D2. So it's 1/2 33 and 60. So 1/2 times 33 times 60. It's 990. Area of the regular polygon below. Okay, so I'm going to use the formula for the apothem. Your apothem equals, I have to remember this, half the side length. So half the side length is 10 divided by tangent of 360 over, this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 times 6 down here. This formula is on the board. I give that to you. So your apothem is 10 divided by, 360 divided by 12 is 30. So 10 divided by tangent of 30 is 17.32. So your apothem is 17.32. So then, your area equals 1/2 your apothem, 17.32. And then there's 6 sides. Each side is 20. So 0.5 times 17.32 times 6 times 20. It's a big number. So for this one, I got 1039.2 is the answer. Area of the regular polygon. Oh, this one's easier. So area equals 1/2 apothem times perimeter. This time you have your apothem already there, 7.83, and then it's 5 sides times 15 is each side. 0.5 times 7.83 times 5 times 15. So that's going to be A equals 293.625 is the answer. Okay, that's the first page. Okay, here's the second page. Calculate the area that will be painted black. Okay, so we're looking for the shaded area. So let's see. The shaded area. So let's do the total area first. Where's my marker? Oh, I'm already on it. So total area. Area equals base times height. So that's 21 times 10.5. 21 times 10.5. That's the total area. So the whole thing is 220.5. Then we need the circles. If that's 21, that means this here is 10.5, which means the radius is 5.25. So circles, that's A equals pi r squared. So you have A equals pi times, what was it, 5.25? 5.25 squared. 5.25 squared times pi. It's 86.59. And then there's 2 circles. So you double this times 2. So that becomes A equals 173.18. So you subtract those 2 things. So it's 220.5 minus 173.18. So the answer is 47.32. Area of the sector. Okay, so it's 133 over 360 times pi 9 squared. 133 over 360 times pi times 9 squared. Shoot. Oh, I missed one. I'll go back to it. You have 81. Oh yeah, okay. Answer here is 94.01. Length of the arc. So basically the same formula. This one is 85 over 360 times pi. Your diameter here is, that's another 21. So d equals 42. Pi times d. So 85 over 360 times pi times 42. 31.2. Odd numbers are 1, 3, and 5. So that means 120 plus 60 plus 40. 120 plus 60 plus 40. That's 220. So 220 over 360. Oops. 220 over 360 times, what's the radius? Oh, wait. This is all you have to do. So 220 degrees out of 360 degrees. That's oops. That is 0.61 multiplied by 100. That's 61%. Okay, so that's the first page. Oh, I forgot that one. Okay, let's go back in here real quick. For this one, I'm gonna cut it up. Let's try this just for fun. Nope, that's not what I thought it was. Let's just go over here. Why can't, there we go. So cut that there, cut that there. This is 6, which means this is 12. Oh, it's not a very accurate picture, which means this is 144. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 4 is 24. So 144 plus 24 plus 24. We're adding these. 144 plus 24 plus 24. That's 192. Okay, I think I got it all. Did I get it all? Yeah, here we go. That's the second page.